tinye ya n'okpuru oche. Mba, aga m ekọcha kee, tinye ya n'okpuru akwa. Mba, aga m emekọcha kee, tinye ya n'okpuru ute. Mba, kọcha kee, kọcha kee, kọcha kee. Calling on one aka. You all are good students. Clap for yourselves, all of you. I said clap for yourselves. All right, that's good. How many of you are ready to participate in today's first lesson? Can I see your hands up? You are ready to participate in today's first lesson. It's going to be very, very educative, interactive, okay? I want your full participation, okay? I want your full participation. Those of you who are already drawing your puzzle, I don't know who gave you that instruction. And part of our camp rule is follow instructions. You're not asked to draw your puzzle for now, okay? But you're already doing that. When it's now time for puzzle, what would you be doing? You'll now be jumping up, okay? Please let's take instructions as we are being given by our camp staff. And God will bless you all in Jesus' name. All right. Who can tell me my name once again? Yes.
Miss,
No, don't tell anybody. Who can remember my name again?
Dede Ozere.
Who else again?
Dede Okezie.
Dede Okezie. Good. Where is Apostle Kapaya? Okay, pause. All right. Which of them? Which of them? Okay. Open to your puzzle. Before I say open to your puzzle, page number 5. Page number 5. Page number 5. Are you there? Everybody should listen up to Dede Okezie. Genonte. Don't peep into anybody's work or into anybody's book. Follow instructions and listen up. Look at me. No copied work. Don't copy from anyone. I hope you all have your pencils, your stationaries. You don't have them? So where do we have them? If you have more than one, can you please lend people? If you have more than one pencil, can you please lend the next person? Do you have enough pencils then? Yes, but don't start yet. Don't start yet until I tell you to start. How many of us have pencils? Place your own on the table. Or place it on the table. That's the instruction. Place your booklet on the table. Are we all there? Okay, page number 5. What's the topic we are treating this morning, everyone? Parts of the body. Listen up. Parts of the what? Can I hear you say parts of the body? Some of my boys are not talking. What's the problem? Parts of the body. Can I hear you say that? Remember, part of our camp rule is that you have to participate actively. Okay? You can see some uncles are seated at the back. They are watching all what you are doing, and they are scoring you. Anybody who gets the highest score will be the best camper at the end of our camping session in this place. So ensure you participate actively. Somebody say parts of the body. Good, parts of the body. I know we are all taught part of the body in our school. True or false? Yes, true or false? We have been taught parts of the body in our school. Beautiful. But today's part of the body is going to be taking another dimension. Do you know why it's going to be taking another dimension? Because we'll be learning the parts of the body in Igbo language. Okay, so parts of the body means what in Igbo? Who can pronounce that? That thing that is... No. There should be no chorus answer. No. Dead Okeze will not entertain any form of chorus answer. I know the answer. I will indicate by raising up my hands. So I'll come directly to you and give you the mic, and you tell us the answer. So part of our class instruction today is that no chorus answers. So if you know the answer to any question, what would you do? You indicate by what? By raising up your hand. So translating parts of the body in Igbo language, what does it mean? What does it mean, parts of the body? So when you stand up, you tell us your name and translate that. I'll stand and greet. Let's greet Daddy. What do we tell him? Ụtụtụ ọma sir. Can you say that again? Good morning, sir. You're welcome. So, gwanya fage, ke gwanya fopu ifebo part of the body. N'asụsụ Igbo.
Afambu Izuna. Part of the body in Igbo is called Ahumadu.
Oh. Can you couple on the aka? Let's clap for him. Appreciate him. Beautiful. Can we hear from another person again? A girl this time around. A girl. Parts of the body. Translate it to Igbo language. Tell us your name. Okay? Just like, before you answer any question, let's know your name. Okay? Good. Just like my name is Dede Okezie. Do you understand? Good.
Afambu Adora.
Okay. What is part of the body in Igbo language?
Anya.
Okay. Oh, you're giving me example of parts of the body. That's wow. That's good. Can you couple let's clap for her. Good. Yes. Parts of the body in Igbo language. Who can tell us again? Okay. Gwanya fagi. Okay. Gwanya ife obo. Parts of the body. Ahamadu. Okay, good. My boy, Dubem.
Esi.
AC. That should be easy. That's the head. Okay, beautiful. Before we come to that, parts of the body in Igbo language is Ahu Mado. Can we say that together? Ahu Mado. That boy is not looking at me. What's his name? Izuna, right? Is that your name? Keda Afagi? Afagi bu Tobenna. Tobenna chom ki ne gente. Okay, I want you to listen up. Ne gente. Okay, all of you drop your pen. Drop your pen and listen up. If possible, just fold your hands like this. Fold your hands like this way. Aha, beautiful. And listen up. Beautiful. Parts of the body means what? Aho mado. Okay? Aho what? I don't want you to, I want your intonation to sound well, like Igbo. Aho mado. Can you say that again? Aho mado. Beautiful. Aho mado. Can you say that again? Imagine you get back to the school upon resumption by September, and your class teacher comes to the board to project parts of the body, and you indicate, Ma, I can translate this to Igbo language. What would you tell your class teacher when you see the word parts of the body? Is that how you're going to chorously say it in a class? Good. Part of our class instruction is if you know a particular answer to any question, what would you do? What do? You indicate by what? Raising up your hand. And when I give you the microphone, what's the first thing you do? You tell us your name before the answer. Okay. Have the mic. Okay. So, you come up to school by September 1st term, okay? And the first topic in English language is parts of the human body. So, how will you translate that in Igbo language?
My name is
Which one is my name?
No.
So, say that in Igbo.
Ahambu Angelina.
Okay.
Ahumadu.
Good. Parts of the body means what?
Ahumadu.
Beautiful. You are returning back home after the camp, okay? And you are getting back home. And your dad and mom will say, okay, let's hear from you. What actually did you learn during your camping session? And you are trying to tell Dad, we learned the parts of the body. So how would you tell Dad and Mom that part of what you learned in the camp was part of the body? How would you say that in Igbo language? Because I know your daddy is going to ask you, Mommy is going to ask you, what are the various activities? What are the lessons you learned during the Igbo summer camp? So how would you tell Dad and Mom you learned part of the body in Igbo language? So take the microphone, tell us your name, and tell us, when I get back home, I'm going to tell Dad and Mom part of the body in Igbo. Let's hear you.
Afambu Ngozi.
Okay. Telling Dad and Mom you learned part of the body in Igbo summer camp. How would you say it to them?
Ahamadu.
Ahu Madu. Can we please give her a round of applause? You are doing well. Beautiful. Okay. So, we are going to be looking at different parts of the human body. Okay? Okay, all of us, can we stand up? Stand up, all of you. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Adjust your seat, stand up. Okay, all right. Are we there? Let's take this. My head, my shoulder, my knee, my toes. Are we there? Are we good to go? Okay, beautiful. Are we there? 1, 2, ready, go. My head, my shoulder, my knee, my toes. Can I hear you? Can I see you touch your toes? My head, my shoulder, my knee, my toes, my head, my shoulder, my knee, my toes, they all belong to Jesus. Okay, I think it's the Yoruba language I do. Okay, but it's fine. Okay, good. I decided to do, DJ, can you give us some beats so that we can just do 1 or 2 kind of, you understand? Just some kind of beat without music. Good. Are we set to go? What's it? Oh, did you understand what he just said now?
Biko mamiri nakpam.
He said, Biko mamiri nakpam. Do you know what that means? Can I use the restroom? He's pressed. Oh, you're going to use the restroom. There is. Follow Uncle. All right, DJ, please drop it. Let's have parts of the body now. Good. Are we set? Drop your pen. I asked you to drop your pen. Are you there? My head, my shoulder, my heel, my toes. Let's go. My head, my shoulder, my heel. Oh, yeah, wait, follow this stuff. I want you to adjust the seat. Sideways, 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 sideways. I want you to tell the space. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Children, put your feet backward. Beautiful. Don't have enough space. Are we there? Oh, she's distracted. I know I'm distracted. What's she looking at? Thank you very much. Otiegu, Dalurine. What do we tell our DJ? Dalurine. Thank you very, very much. Okay. Considering the breakfast we ate this morning, pap and moi moi, okay? I just feel that some of us are feeling dizzy and I had to introduce this little aerobic so that we can exercise ourselves while we continue with the various parts of the body. However, the song also rhymes with the topic we are having this morning, which is what? Parts of the body. Okay. Can we close our booklets? Close your booklets. Close your booklets. All of you. Close your booklets. Ensure you obey Uncle instructions, okay? Close your booklets. Without looking at our book, I want us to give examples of the different parts of the body we have in Igbo language. Are we good to go? Okay. I'm going to start from this, from my good friend, Naza. So when you say your own, tell us your name. Afambo. Dede Okezie. Ahumadobo. Do you understand? You mentioned the parts of the body. Okay? Do you get that? So, just one. Just give me just an example. Good. Okay. Beautiful. Also, Kopoloniaka, give him a round of applause. Pass the mic to the next person. Good. He said, Afiabu Chinaza Okoli. Nahumadebu what? Anya, which is what? The eye. Beautiful. Good. Okay, Chibiko Koli. Good. Yes. Tell us, close your book. Okay, Chibiko Koli. Good. Yes. Tell us, close your book. Tell us a part of the body, an example of part of the body in Igbo language. Then you translate it to English. Isi. And that's the what?
I don't know.
What is isi in English? No, put down your hands. It's not your turn.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Okay, you're not sure, but say it. Say what you know. Say it.
Yeah,
The ear. Oh, no. That's not isi. Okay? Ear means nti. Nti, yes. Who can tell me what isi is?
Head.
The head. I say you should close your books.
I don't.
Okay.
I am Butribiko.
Okay.
I am EC.
Good. Means hand. When you're not next learner. Okay? Chukwemeka Okoli. Okay, Chukwebuka Okoli.
Ahumadu nti.
Oh, ahumadu bo nti. The ear. Metunu nti una aka ụmụ akwụkwọ. Metunu nti una. No. If you get kubu, afambu tobenna. Ahumadu bo eze.
Ahumadu.
No. If you get kubu, afambu tobenna. Ahumadu bo. Start from your name. Okay.
Ahumadu eze.
Bu eze.
Bu eze.
Beautiful. Ahumadu bugini.
Ahumadu beginning.
Eze. Beautiful. Give him a round of applause. That's a very beautiful one. Good. All right. Okay.
Ahumadu.
No, start by telling us your name first. Wanya fagi tupu iweza jojo. Wanya fagi.
Wana fagi.
No. Wanya fagi means what's your name? I've always told you before.
Ahamabu. Okpa. Leg.
Leg. Can we give a round of applause? Yes, I'm super impressed. Do you know why I'm impressed? Even without looking at your booklets. Yes, I'm super impressed. Do you know why I'm impressed? Even without looking at your booklets, you can still retain and you can still retain and Izuna. Good. Give an example of the part of the body in Igbo language.
Mpisi aka.
Mpisi aka. That means what?
Finger.
The finger. Give him a round of applause. Beautiful. Give it to him. Okay? Gwanya fagi.
Aka.
Afago aka. What's your name? Afambo. Say that. Afambo.
Afambo Chirumebi.
Good. Ngwa. Give us example of parts of the body. in Igbo language? You just mentioned it, not the one you mentioned now. Give us example of part of the body.
The hand.
The
hand.
The hands?
Yes.
What's the hands? Translate the hands in Igbo. Somebody just said, we say aka, that is fingers. No, that means fingers, yes. So, what's this? Hands. Okay, please give him a round of applause. Appreciate him. Give him the microphone. Okay?
Afambu Fitona.
Afa Igbo gene?
Fitona.
I don't know me fiku.
Afambu Fitona.
Okay. Ijoma ko. Ke fo kpole ya?
Then
Okay. Arụ mmadụ. Ahụ mmadụ bụ gịnị? Tinye igwe eji ekwu okwu n'ọnụ. Put the microphone close to your mouth. Take. Okay. Yes, you can do it. No, listen to your sister. I'm going to separate you. You are not... Okay, beautiful. Good. I'm listening. Okay, yes, you can.
Annie.
Annie, that's Anya. Say Anya. That means what?
Toes.
The toes. Give her a round of applause. That's beautiful. Give her a round of call on the aka. Baby girl, it's your turn. Yes. Hold the microphone. Good. Guanya fagi. Kedife boa fagi. What's your name?
Hello.
Okay.
Hello, Dochi.
Okay. Give me an example of the part of the body in Igbo language. Can you remember the eye? What's eye? What's the ear? Let's clap for her. She's doing well. Good. Yes. Okay. Give me an example. Tell us your name first.
Afambu Adora.
Adora, okay? An example of the part of the body in Igbo language.
Azu.
Azu means the what?
Back.
The back. A round of applause. Kopoloni aka. You students are super amazing. You are super amazing. Okay. Mepezie na akwụkwọ unu ebe anyị nwere puzzle. Ahụ mmadụ. Okay. All right. I'm not giving you instruction to start. Asiberomonu bido. I'm saying that. How do you? Colors for you. All right. Open to that same page, page 5, but don't do the puzzle. I want us to mention the parts of the body, one after the other. You want to use the toilet? Okay. Meet with uncle. He's going to take you to the restroom. But you're supposed to say that in Igbo language. Come back before I will permit you. Yes.
I'm at the toilet.
Say that. Beautiful. Okay, that's good. Okay. I didn't ask you to draw. Okay. Number one. Let's have, what's number one? Okay, let's chorus it together. Number one is what? Is it Anya or Anya? Anya, say that. Again. Anya, say that again. Kamfu anyu, metunu anyu na aka. Metunu anyu no aka. Touch your eye, let me see. This is my eye. You, good. So when you hear metu, metu means touch. Okay, metu means what? Touch. So when I say metu, anyo aka, it means what? Touch your what? Touch your eye. Okay, beautiful. So number one is what? I hope nobody's going to call it Anya again. It's not called Anya. It's called what? Anya. Beautiful. Okay. The lips. Can I see you touch your ebuberono? The lips. Touch your lips. Beautiful. Number three is what? Uku. Not aku. You want to eat ofaku? Eh? Okay. That is uku. Uku means what? Waist. The waist. Can I see you hold your waist, all of you? Aha. Hold your waist. Let me see you hold your waist. Amanda, I did not ask you to share the puzzle. Listen up. Listen up, okay? Good. Uku means what? The waist. Okay. The next one is what? I can't hear you. Not umpisi aka. No. You are getting it. But that's not the tonation.
Mpisiaka.
Hey. Pronounce it.
Mpisiaka.
Pronounce it.
Umpisia.
Mpisiaka. Say that. Mpisiaka. Say that. What's the meaning of mpisiaka? Can I hear you? The fingers. Can I see your fingers? So, mpisiaka means what? Mpisiaka means what? Children. Fingers. Okay. The next one is what? What's the next one? After mpisiaka is what? Mpisi, uku. That's the what? That's the toe. That's beautiful. The next one is what? Ire. Yes. Ire means what? The tongue. Good. The next one is what? Ono. What will you use? What's ono in English? Mouth, yes. And that's why sometimes somebody will tell you, Mechionu, close your mouth. Have you heard that before? Oh, that's why you talk a lot. That will say Mechionu. Abi? It means what? Close your mouth. So who can tell me what we use the mouth for? Say that in Igbo language. Kedifanji onu wele me. What do we use the mouth for? Ainji erinri. Not eating. Say eating in Igbo. Nri. Good. Ainji erinri. Okay. What else again do we use the mouth for? Okay. Uku. They have the same sound, but not the same what? But the spelling is different. Beautiful. Exactly. Good. Just like we are having this. So this is an homophone in English language. Sorry, in Igbo language. Okay? Uku and what? Uku. Okay? Good. Yes, I'm listening. Uku means the waist. Uku means the leg. It has the same spelling, but the difference is the 2 dots. But it doesn't sound the same. Okay, good. Okay, good. All right. The next one we have is, who can pronounce the next one? After Onu is what? If you don't get it, you sit down. Say that. It's with auntie, if you take it to the toilet. It's with auntie, if you take it to the toilet. Okay, students, let me tell you this time that I will not grant you permission to leave here if you cannot express yourself in Igbo language wherever you are going to. If you want to use the toilet, okay? Aha. Beautiful. So the next one is afo. That's the stomach. Thank you very much, sir. That's what? The stomach. That's good. Then the next one is uku, the leg. The next one is what? Nti. Nti adekwa. Nti. Can I hear you touch your nti? Touch your nti. Nti means the ears. That's the ear, okay? How many ears do we have? Nti no ne kainwelo. Nti abua. Can you your 2 ears? Chidubem. Good. Hold your 2 ears. You don't nti abuna. Eze. Okay. Ikpere. That's good. Azu. Ngwa metu na azu na aka. Metu na azu na aka. Beautiful. Touch your back. Touch your back. Touch your. That is the hair. How many of you have hair like they? Okay, Zia. Look at my hair. Yeah. Touch your hair. The next one, okpukpu. Okpukpu means the bone. The next one is what? Ike. That's your boots. Okay? Some people call it buttocks. Okay? The next one is what? Olu. Ngwa kai kunyoto kai kene mommy ai. Keri fa ya se mommy. Ụtụtụ ọma. Can I hear you say that again? Ụtụtụ ọma. Ngwa join mommy. Mommy keki melo. Ask her. Say that after me. Mommy keki melo. Mommy will respond what? Ademuma. Good. Mommy, I'm not singing no. Oh, you are most welcome. Yes, ma'am. Can you see mommy saying dalu now? Do you remember that word again? What are the 2 words I said you will be saying often in this camp? Dalu and what? Ndewo. Good. So the next one we have is what? Olu. Is what? Oh, if I get difa, biago. Oh yes. Oh yes. Ngwa ka nkene nu nwunye maazi no wotela anyi biki. Nwunye maazi dalo. So we are going to be getting our biro round. Indicate by raising up your hands. Okay, go. You can go.
Mali.
Okay, when I go outside, you see auntie, tell auntie to take you. The next one is what? OBI is what? OB. That's the chest. Good. And the last one we have is what? Aka. That's the hands. Can we start now? Students, can we start? Puzzle time! Puzzle time! Puzzle time! All right, we can start now. It's part of the body. First to finish. Hey, can you be near not or can you carry daddy? Can we stand up? Can we stand up? Daddy, no, they won't. No, really. Okay, all right. In the next 5 minutes. All right. In the next 5 minutes. Let's go for break time. Not really break, just one.
One bello. I call look if I follow one day you must credit. See I come from East the enter street brother you know. Jimmy I turn to beast you already know. Him I know now yellow mundo get oh now yellow me gon get to ya o. Him I not rap balloon butum get I saw him balloon butum ga koya I came with so and the conquer. I love for them just a wonder. So wish can move on under. I fire them with the thunder. Mwana kuzi kwanu nuju. No. Mano chill. I cover myself. My kachine can make go kwango benye sake. Every day by day I just they celebrate. Everything I do we just they penetrate. I just want to say thank you Jehovah. I'm lit. Oh no. I just want to say thank you. Step aside for the game changer.
the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba, master.
Onemekasi, Onwarungabasi, Onamkiakasi, Ebubedike, Iberikekwe, Wanyamanaria, Achalukodike, clear the road for Musabi. Step aside for the game changer. Putago, I'm gonna put one up on me. Oh, Warungabasi, Onamekasi, oh, Warungabasi, Onamkiakasi, Ebubedike, Iberikekwe, Wanyamanaria, Achalukodike.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba, master.
Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe chenjigo. Iye jamara dike ruenu, iwe ikekwe. Wanyamanaria, achaluko dike. Clear the road for Musabi. Step aside for the game changer. Onya ne kuma tefara.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here.
Toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe chenjigo. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe dagarigo. Oshiri jibwa, mawushine. Ogandoga, ikene bube dike. We know they carry last year. I said blue one on Elani. Wanyamanaria, Achaluko dike.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba, master.
Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe chenjigo. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe dagarigo. Onwarungabasi, Onemekasi, Onwarungabasi, Onamkiakasi, Ebubedike, Iberikekwe, Wanyamanaria, Achalukodike. Clear the road for Musabi. Step aside for the game changer. Onya ne kuma putago. I'm gonna put one up on me. Oh, Warungabasi, Onamekasi, oh, Warungabasi, Onamkiakasi, Ebubedike, Iberikekwe, Wanyamanaria, Achaluko dike.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba, the emperor, the conqueror. The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba, master.
Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe chenjigo. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwa dagarigo. Onwarunga basi, onemekasi. Onwarunga basi, onamkakasi. Ebube dike, iwe ikekwe. Wani manaria, achaluko dike. Clear the road for Musabi. Step aside for the game changer. Onya nekwu maki aputago. Anwa na bwebo na tani. Onwarunga basi, onemekasi. Onwarunga basi, onamkakasi. Ebube dike, iwe ikekwe. Wani manaria, achaluko dike.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba, the emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba,
Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe chenjigo. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwa dagarigo. Oshiri jibwa, mawushine. Ogandoga, ikele bube dike. We know they carry last year. As a blue one on Elani. Wani manaria. Achaluko dike.
the emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba, master.
Toya dike. Nenu dike. Toya dike. Nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruenu. Ekwe chenjigo. Iye jamara dike ruenu. Ekwa dagarigo. Onwarunga basi, onemekasi. Onwarunga basi, onamkakasi. Ebube dike, iwe ikekwe. Wani manaria, achaluko dike. Clear the road for Musabi. Step aside for the game changer. Onya nekwu maki aputago. jibwa mawushine ogandoga ikene bubedike we no dey carry last year aseblu anonelani wanye manaria achalugo dike big smoke.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba, master.
Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe chenjigo. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwa dagarigo. Omarungabasi, onemekasi. Omarungabasi, onamjakasi. Ebubedike, iberikekwe. Wani manaria, achalugo dike. Clear the road for Musabi. Step aside for the game changer. Onya nekwu maki aputago. Amo na bwebo na tani. Owarungabasi, onemekasi. Owarungabasi, onamjakasi. Ebubedike, iberikekwe. Wani manaria, achalugo dike. Yeah, 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 yeah.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba, the emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba,
Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe chenjigo. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwa dagarigo. Oshiri jibwa, mawushine. Ogandoga, ikene bubedike. We no dey carry last year. Aseblu anonelani, wanye manaria, achalugo dike. Big smoke.
the emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba, master.
Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruenu.
Ndewo onye ọbụla. Hello, ndewo. If I say ndewo, you say ndewo. Ndewo. Ngwa onye ọbụla na-eme anya. Look at me, look at me, look at me. All eyes on me. Na-eme anya. Lee m anya. All eyes on me. Lee m anya. Some people are not looking at me. Onye ọbụla na-eme anya. Beautiful. So we have your handbook. Iji ya? Wene yenu. Wele yelu, wele yelu. Raise it up. Wele yelu. Your handbook. Wele yelu. Raise your handbook up. Wele yelu. Raise it up. Wele yelu. Were nke gị. Tata anyị ga-eme ABD. Can we say that? Ngwa, sapea. The alphabet. ABD. Sapea, sapea, sapea. Open it. Sapea is open it. IGBO. Can we say that? IGBO. 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 Hold on. IGBO. 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 Beautiful. Hold on, take mine. Take mine. Where am I? Can't hear. Okay, turn it this way. Mayota. Hey, beautiful girl. IGBO. Can't hear. IGBO. Open it like this. Keep it. IGBO. Here. IGBO. IGBO. The Igbo alphabet. IGBO. Did you see here? The Igbo alphabet. IGBO. The Igbo alphabet. Does it have pagination? IGBO. The Igbo alphabet. IGBO. The Igbo alphabet. Is everyone with their own? Aya sape, kanho. Let me see, kanho. Show me, gosim. Gosim IGBO gi. Chere. Naya. Gosim ne nkegi. Ngwa. So you are going to repeat after me. Ige kuye nkuru. Let's start. A. B. Be pointing at it. Not to yaka. Open it, place it like this. Not to yaka. Be pointing at it. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. E. E. Gui. He. E. E. J. K. B. Qui. Li. Mi. Ni. Ni. Mwi. Ni. O. O. P. Re. Si. She. T. U. U. V. We. Ye. Z. Let's clap for us. You did excellent. So, can you make choir also? Everybody point at it. B. Chi. Be pointing. D. E. F. G. B. Re. Gui. Point. He. E. E. G. K. B. Qui. Li. Mi. Ni. Ni. She, ti, u, vi, wi, yi, zi. Ngwa kọrọ n'onwe n'aka. Amanda. So I'm going to help you out after this, okay? So don't worry about it. We'll do it together, okay? Is that okay? So now, we are going to look at the words. These are the words that start with the alphabet. Mkpụrụ bidoro na abidi. Ngwa. Anya. Anya. Biburu. Biburu. Chichere. Chichere. Didesa. Didesa. Everyone close your puzzle, please. When we are done, close it. Mecheya, mecheya. I mecha bidi. Obuni mecha begi. Nyere gaka. I'm here for you, okay? We'll do the puzzle together and it will be more fun, okay? Ngwa. Eze. Eze. Fifepu. Fifepu. Gigante. Oh, yeah. Be pointing here. Gigante. Bigboso. Bigboso. Riworo. Riworo. Gwigwongworo. Gwigwongworo. Hihicha. Hihicha. I'm coming. Iire. Iire. Iita. Iita. Ji. 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 Ki. Kele. Ki. Kele. Be pointing at it. Bi. Bekbere. Bi. Bekbere. Kwikwaka. Kwikwaka. Lilanya. Lilanya. Mi mkpịsị aka. Mi mkpịsị aka. Ni nọrọ ala. Ni nọrọ ala. Ngịṅọ. Ngịṅọ. Nwe nwanne. Nwe nwanne. Nyịnyọ nsị. Nyịnyọ nsị. Oroma. Oroma. Ọnụ. Ọnụ. Pipiaka. Pipiaka. Ririe. Ririe. Sisoro. Sisoro. Shishye. Shishye. Tita. Tita. Ubebeke. Ubebeke. Ukwu. Ukwu. Vivopụta. Vivopụta. We were. We were. Yiri. Yiri. Everyone point to the last one. Ziza. Ziza. Beautiful. So we are going to look at the meaning of these words. Agelayana ioputara. So no chorus answer. I want you to tell me if you know it, you raise up your hand. You say mua. What did I say? Wo mua. Mua. That is, you raise your hand. So who can tell me the meaning of anya? What? Eyes. Koroyaka. Ndo. Okay, ngwa. Onye ga-agwa m ihe buru pụtara. What does buru mean? Keyo pụtara. What does it mean? Yes. Buru. Nka. Buru. Buru, what does it mean in English? Not really. Who else? Only buru. So let me tell you something. When they ask you to buru, lemaya. Buru is carry. So when they say buru, is usually with your two hands. You do it with your two hands. Can you see me? Yeah, buru. To carry. So what does buru mean? Carry. Ngwako onye ga-agwa m ihe chere pụtara. Chere? Wait. Ngwa onye ọbụla kwuo chere, wait. Everybody say chere, wait. So whenever you hear anybody that tell you chere, it means what? Wait. Ngwa, the next one. Konye gwa m ihe desa pụtara. Desa. What does it mean? Someone else. Onyozo. Not really. Onyozo. Another person. Onyozo. Who can tell me? Desa. Oh, sit is Nora. That's a good attempt. Yeah. Just try. Yes. No. Okay. I know. Okay. I see. There's a book there. That's why people say book. Okay. Desa is keep. To keep something. Keep. Ngwakwoya. Desa keep. Desa keep. Desa keep. So the next one, onye ga-agwa m ebu eze. Eze. Ke yo pụtara? Eze. Tell us, what is eze? What is eze? Ke yo pụtara? Teeth. Eze bụ teeth. Ngwakwo ya teeth. So what is eze? The next one. Tell us the next one. Fepo. It's not really bird. Bird is no. West. Who? West. We saying? Okay. Yes, fly away. That's more like it. Fly away, fly away. Fepo, fepo, fepo. That is fly away. Keyebu fly away. Fepo. You see here. The next one. Gente. Yes, to listen. If you answer chorus, you don't even answer at all. So you need to raise up your hand. Gente is listen. Oh yeah, everybody, your hands like this. Gente. 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 So that is to listen. Listen. Listen carefully. So I see you gente. Anytime they tell you gente is what? Listen. Ngwa. Nke ọzọ bụ gbaa ọsọ. Gbaa ọsọ. Run. Gbaa ọsọ. Run. Ka ihe gbaa ọsọ pụtara? What does it mean now? Run. Ngwa, the next one, ghọrọ. To play, okay. Okay, I'll put that. Catch. You want to tell me? What does it mean? Ghọrọ. Okay, this one. You want to tell me this one? Get cap. So, ghọrọ, we are here. Ghọrọ is catch. Catch, 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 catch. So, Marcy, maybe I throw something. I'll tell you. Ngwa ghọrọ. Ghọrọ is catch, okay? Who can tell me the next one? Nke ọzọ. Gwongworo. Truck. Beautiful. Jisike. So gwongworo is what? Truck. Nke ọzọ. Hicha. Hicha. Clean. Beautiful. Jisike. So hicha is what? Clean. I say you hicheba. That means it's what? Clean. Nke ọzọ. Ire. Who answered this one? Ire. Who answered this one for me? All right, everybody, can you say it together? Tongue. Beautiful. Jisike. Ita. Yes, to eat. Ita. That's to eat. More like to chew, but it's okay. It's to eat. Ngwa nke ọzọ bụ ji. Yam. Jisike. So we have yam as ji. The next one is kele. Ngaza. Okay, shake hands. Shake, pray, Greet. Kele is what? Greet. That's to greet someone. You know in Igbo language, how men greet? You greet by handshake. So you shake your hand. That's where you see the picture of shake. So kene is greet. Okay? And it also means thank you. To thank someone. Oputakwara what? To thank someone. Ngwa nke ọzọ bụ kpekpere. Yes. Pray. They taught us today, right? And in the workout, when they say kpekpere, is to pray. So kpekpere is what? Pray. Ngwa ke nke ọzọ. What's the next one? Kwọ aka. Who wants to answer that? Kwọ aka. You want to answer it? Kwọ aka. Who wants to? Who wants to? Yeah. Okay, yes. Okay, any other answer? Wash. Yes, wash hand. Is that it? So, kwaka is what? Wash hand. Wash hand. To wash your hand is kwaka again. So you have kwaka, wash. Wash hand. We have lanya. Okay, almost everybody's raising up their hand. Now, can we say it together? Lanya. What does it mean? Look. Yes, beautiful. So we have look. Lanya. The people that have not said anything, they will say today. It's today. You have. Have you said anything? What is Mbisiaka? Tell us. Finger. You said Mbisiaka is finger. Now everybody say Mbisiaka finger. Look at, do like this. Mbisiaka finger. We have Norala. Yes. Norala, tell us. Sit down. Say Norala. So from now on, you will not hear sit down from my mouth again. You will not hear sit down from my mouth. You will not. Norala. And if I tell you Norala, you do what? You sit. Thank you. Nsi hanagi Norana, ga Norana. Okay. The next one. Ngo. Okay, everybody can. What does ngo mean? Drink. So you have ngo. You can now drink. We have one. No chorus. And another person, siblings. Beautiful. So one name is when you see your siblings, say one name. Now can you say one name? One name. That's my sibling. One name. Where's your sibling? I say one name.
One name.
Where's your sibling? Who is your sibling here?
My sister.
Say one name.
One name.
Who is your sibling ever?
One name.
One name. One name. Do you know that even if your biological sibling is not here, we are all one family. So you can call your cousins one name. You can call your neighbors one name. In Igbo, I ain't chabu one name. So one name. Say one name.
One name.
Ngwakwo, one name. One name, one name.
One name.
Ngwakwo, one name.
One name.
One name.
One name.
So I'm teaching you, I don't want to hear my sibling, my brother, my sister. Ngwakwo, one name.
One name.
One name. Ikugo kuon kegi.
One name. My name is here.
Oh yeah? Okay, one name. Okay. Oh, the man, I'm older. Whether you're the oldest or you're the youngest, it's still one name. Do maybe one name again. Do maybe go one. Say one name.
One name.
Okay, only have one name. She have siblings. Ikugo one name.
One name.
Go have one name again. I want you one name again. Ngwako one name.
One name.
Okay. So from now on, no more my brother, my sister, my sibling. How would you say it in Igbo? One name. The next one is nuance. Nuance. What does it mean? Yes? Yes, use the restroom. Practically, you can say to poop. That's just it. You want to say to use the restroom. Oroma, 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 oroma. Who has no oroma? Orange. Yes. Oroma is orange. Anu, 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 anu. Everyone say it. So anu is actually mouth. Mouth. You have mouth there. So lips is ebugberonu is in your puzzle. You see it there. Ebugberonu is your lips. Yes. That's the second one in your puzzle. So you have ebugberonu as your lips. Piaka, piaka, piaka. Who knows that one? Koyemaya. Piaka. Norala. 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 Sit. Norala. Piaka. Piaka. Not really. Yes. Touch. It's more like touch as Who else? So it's more like okay. No, phone is equant. Thank you. Phone is equante. So when you hear piaka, it's more like you press. To press something with your finger. Everybody, do like this. Piaka. That is piaka. This is piaka. So you press your phone in happy equantigi aka. Or even if it's your iPad. Piaka. Ngwa, rie. What did you do this morning? Me, I'm not hearing me. I'm not hearing me. I can't hear that English. Moi, Eat. Rie is what? Eat. Sorrow. Who can tell me? Sorrow. Walk. Sorrow. Yeah. Walk. Yeah. Sorrow. Follow. Yes, that's follow. So you can whenever you hear sorrow, it's follow. When you hear sorom, sorom is what? Follow me. Everyone says sorom. So whenever you hear any of your camp coordinator or any staff that tell you sorom, it means what? Follow me or come with me. Okay? Ngwanko ọzọ bụ shie. Cook. Yes, shie is to cook. Some people say sie. So either way, they are the same. Okay? We have ta. No, that is ta. Ta is today. It's different. Ta. Yes, to bite. More like to chew something, you just bite out from something. So that is ta. Ta is to bite out. Ubebeke. Everybody will say this one. You cannot tell me you don't know it. Look at the picture. Nayana. Yes, sir. Ubebeke. Wa. Avocado. Yes. Ngwa. Nkazabu. Uku. Is in your puzzle, right? Uku. Uku. Not really. Leg. Ngwa will say uku. Na ndị na akọrọ iya. Ka ihe nkwu. Uku. Ka weta akwụkwọ gị. Ngwa. Sị ka m weta akwụkwọ m. Sị ka m nyụọ mamịrị. Ngwa pụọ n'iro. Achọrọ m inyo nsị. You see this? Drink water first. Hold on. The restroom is filled up right now. You can go there. Wait, hold on. The restroom is filled up. Wait. Pick up that water. Ngwa. Let's finish up. Let's finish up so we can have our break. We have Voputa. Who can tell me? Voputa. Yes. Pull. Yes, to pull out from the ground majorly. To pull out. To pull something out. We have were. No, another person. Yes. To give is nye. Nye is to give. Take. Take is were. So when I ask you were, if I ask you were, it means what? Take. Okay? So anybody that asks you, maybe ngwa were, you take it, and when you take it, what will be your response? Dalo. Beautiful. We have yiri. Not really. Not really. You want? Yes, to wear. Yiri is. So whenever you hear is to wear your clothes. The last one, za. Za is sweep. Okay. GCK. You all did great. Hold on. We are going for a very short break. That's why if you want to use yourself, each other in your memory, gan your memory. Each other in your say, gan your say. Each other, Each other unienu, you have to jump. Anyhow. Which one? What are you talking about? Yes, we'll do that one. This is just your break. This is your break. Yes, your break. Gan your memory. You can go and pee. You cannot. I know that it's not pee. You just want to go out. You are telling me that. Hold on. We just stretch for the learning. Just stretch a bit. Go out.
Achaluko dike